Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make or create a PayPal account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to create a PayPal account, go and open up a web browser, or you can also open up your PayPal application installed on your mobile devices. As soon as you open up a web browser, in the web address bar, type in www.paypal.com. Press enter on your keyboard as soon as you type it in and click on the sign up button as soon as you end up in the official site. Select your country from the top of the screen and enter your mobile number. Click the next button after you are done. You'll need to confirm your mobile number, so type in the code that you received on your mobile number via SMS. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to Setup Profile page. Here in this page, you'll need to enter an email address, your first name, last name, and create a password for your PayPal account. Start off by entering a valid email address that you have an access to in the first text box. After you are done entering your email address, head over to the next field and type in your first name. Enter a legal first name and then, if available, enter your middle name on the next field. If not, skip to the last name and type in your last name. Now, create a new password for your PayPal account in order to secure your account. While creating your password, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long. You must use letters, numbers, or symbols in your password. Once entering the password matching the criteria, click the next button. Enter other personal details such as your address. Select your nationality from the drop down at the top. Enter your date of birth information on the next. Enter your address, and the rest of the information will be typed in automatically. Now, if you want to activate One Touch that lets you speed throughout checkouts and eligible apps and online stores, as long as you're using One Touch, you'll stay logged in until you decide to turn it off. And also, there is no need to enter your password every time you shop with PayPal. If you want to activate it, simply click on this little box. If not, leave it unchecked. And make sure to check this last box as well in order to accept to the terms and conditions of PayPal. And finally, click on Agree and Create Account. Now, link your debit or credit card to PayPal. Enter your debit or credit card number in the first text box. Select your card type, enter the expiry date, enter your security code, and finally click on Link Card in order to link your card with PayPal. And once you link a payment method, you'll be able to create a new account for PayPal. Once your account has been created, you'll now receive an email to confirm your email address. Open up a new tab and open up your email service provider that you signed up using. Log into your account. Open up an inbox received from PayPal and click on the Confirm My Email Address link. Enter your password one more time for your PayPal account to confirm your email again and click on Confirm Email Address again. Once the email has been confirmed, you can now continue using your PayPal account. That is how you can easily make a new PayPal account. Once you create a PayPal account, you can securely pay and have all your cards and rewards in one places when you shop online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.